Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. Today we're gonna make a cheese omelet, but it's gonna be with hot sauce. So we're gonna call it a hot sauce, a hot cheese omelet, right, Michael?
Oh yeah! Hey!
Say it, hi to everyone. And did you say the dogs?
Ginger
Hi for the dogs.
and Teddy. Let's not forget our stars.
And then, okay, so what I did was I put 3 eggs here. I already made my husband breakfast this morning.
Breakfast,
so it was just like
breakfast,
cheese omelet, some coffee. So this is my pan, and
All
I
right.
put 3 tablespoons of veggie oil.
Chop.
These are the eggs. Drop the eggs. And we're gonna go like this with the pan. Oh, they're gonna fully cook, trust me. What's happening here is it's getting cooked, and as it's getting cooked, you see like a dish. It looks like an omelet, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna keep on turning this around. Here we go. Eh?
Turn it
Because we
up.
want to
turn
cook
it
it. We gotta cook it all before we can turn it.
Correct.
And then over there for us is waiting our Colby jack cheese
Woo!
and our delicious hot sauce.
All right.
Why you gonna scream like that, man?
That wasn't a scream. That was more of a gasp.
Yes.
Yeah, gasp. Like a.
And let's hope for the best.
Are we hoping?
Right?
Oh, you're gonna do a flip?
We gotta do a
Flip
okay,
it
Ginger,
up,
get
flip
out.
it
Get the dogs out, because if the dogs get burned, they're on their own. Okay, ready?
All right. Woo!
Oh, kind of like almost good, right?
No, perfection.
Yeah, it's okay, okay. Now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna lower this, put it like on 7, because we don't want it to be that hot.
Yes.
And then we're gonna put the queso like that, Michael, around.
All
for
right.
you,
And what kind of
okay?
queso?
It's a Colby jack.
Oh, I love Colby.
Okay. And then we're gonna put some hot sauce.
Colby and Jack. Oh yeah.
Okay.
I think
Hot
I used
sauce
to
like
eat
that.
this.
And
They used to
we're
serve
gonna
this
put
in
that-
school, I think.
These eggs, well.
They were the
now
best.
We're gonna flip. We're gonna take this side, right?
Oh, let me take a look at
Very
that.
slowly.
Oh yeah.
And
Zoom in,
turning
guys.
both sides. We're gonna do a foldy fold.
Fold it up, fold it up.
Now, where's my round spoon like that? I have this.
That's a real good question.
I'm gonna lower this. And
Oh.
now what we're gonna do is we're gonna flip.
All right.
We gotta flip this side.
Oh, let me take a look at that. Wow. It's
We
beautiful.
want it, yeah, brown like that on the other side. And
Well,
then what we're gonna do for you, Michael, is
Oh, look at that hot sauce.
yeah, it's gonna be really good. I already spiced it
Hot
with
sauce
salt,
up,
pepper.
hot sauce up.
Hot and cheesy omelet.
All right.
Hot and cheesy?
Hot and cheesy.
Yeah.
That's a good
you can
title.
Smell the hot sauce. Smell it.
Hold on, wait. Smells good.
They call these in Spanish huevos a la cañona. I had an uncle that passed away, Tío Rubén. Rest in peace.
Rest in
And,
peace, Tío
he used to
Rubén.
He used to tell me, negra, because, you know, I'm dark and stuff, as you can see. And I used to go, do you want some huevos a la cañona? And I'm like, yeah? And then when I tried it, I was like, wow, blown away. So ever since then, I have liked these. I made them for my son Michael a couple of times, and I think he liked it. So what I'm gonna do with these are done. This is our hot and cheesy omelet. And these are, what do you call these again, Michael?
English muffins for me.
English muffins. So what I'm gonna do, it's 3 of them. We're gonna put a little butter.
Ooh.
You gotta butter them up. You see, I already toasted one.
Butter
That
up,
way, what
butter
Michael can
up.
do is eat these, Michael, English muffins with butter. They're delicious. And these are the original, guys. See how nice and crispy? Here, take a bite so people can hear.
Let me see.
Take a bite.
Ooh.
You go on and take a bite.
Look, everyone.
Yeah. And you gotta take a bite of your eggs. Hold on a second. You need a fork, right? And
Dorothy.
then with that, I just would love for you guys to follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook. Like us on Facebook. Don't forget to press the notification button so you can get videos like this when we kind of like spontaneously, we're just like, oh, let's make a video. You know, we gotta eat. Because everybody has to eat. So, and if you guys can, and Patreon, Michael, that's what it's
Patreon.
called. If you guys can and would like to donate $1 to our channel, we will appreciate it.
Patreon link in the description down
Patreon link,
below.
and you can check the link down below like Michael says. So anyway, with that, I'm going to let you go. Michael, taste your eggs. Take your eggs, even with a little piece like that. There you
Put
go.
a little right there.
Yeah. Oh, your bread? Hold on. Yeah, grab it with your finger. Put it. Wait. And you gotta take. Here.
Wait. Houston, we have a
Michael,
problem.
here. Ew. Okay, taste it, Michael. Wow, that looks nice. Go ahead. How does it sound? You guys can hear that? Good. So anyway, love you guys. I got my coffee. I'm gonna be Michael. You got another English muffin? Let me have
For me?
people see it. Yep.
All right.
Wow, this one is really nice and hot. Let's see how that butter goes on. See? Oh, let's see. And it melts. This is so crispy and. So anyway, love you guys. Don't drink and drive. It's early in the morning. January what? 20th, Michael. What is today?
21st, 22nd.
The 21st or 22nd on a
Something
month.
like that.
Okay, love you guys. Don't drink and drive. See you later.